we got the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. And what exactly does it feature? It features 8 cores, 16 threads, and it also has 120 watts of TDP. It has 4.7 gigahertz, and it has a boost clock of up to 5.2 gigahertz. This processor is quite amazing. I'm going to explain a little bit more once we install it. Now the motherboard that I will be using, I'll be using ASUS's ROG X870E Crosshair Hero, which is an absolute monster. So if you are not only a gamer, but you also create content, this is an excellent choice for you. I will take advantage of Trident Z's Neo RGBs here. Now this is a little bit different. This is actually a 48 gigabyte kit. They also have a 96 gigabyte kit. This is at 6400 megatransfers per second.